Hey guys, welcome to Lognews. Today I'll be showing you how to change your name on your Facebook from your iPhone, and start right in now. To change your name on your Facebook from your iPhone, first open up your Facebook app on the iPhone like this. And after opening your Facebook, on the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu icon. Tap on that menu icon, and after you land over here on the top right corner of your screen you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the personal and account information option available under the category of account. Tap on personal and account information, and over here you can see the name option available. Tap on name, and you can see guys, if you change your name on Facebook you can change it again for 60 days, so choose your name carefully. So let's go, and after you change it you can see the review change button. Tap on review change, and you can see how your name will appear on your profile, and you can see you'll be required to enter your account's password on this process. And after entering your password, tap on save changes. Then your name will be changed on your Facebook account from your iPhone like this. But now I'll not be changing my name for this video's purpose. You can change it like this I'm showing you. And guys, this is how you change your name on your Facebook on iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.